Drop mothballs into dish soap. This simple trick solves a problem many people struggle with. Since I discovered it, I haven't spent a single dollar on store-bought products. Start with a piece of paper towel and place exactly 4 mothballs in the center. Fold the paper in half and crush the mothballs with a meat tenderizer until you get a fine powder. Take any dish soap you have at home. It has many uses, but in this case, it works exceptionally well. Measure about half a cup of dish soap and pour it into a tall container. Add the mothball powder, then pour in about 2 cups of room temperature water. Add 1 tablespoon of alcohol. It disinfects and boosts the effectiveness of the other ingredients. Now add 1 capful of fabric softener for a pleasant scent and a light protective layer. Prepare an empty plastic bottle, preferably with a dispensing cap, and pour the mixture into it. For the final, very important ingredient, add a few cloves. Their strong scent repels insects. You've just made an effective homemade insect killer and repellent. It works on flies, mosquitoes, ants, and cockroaches. Use it on floors or surfaces like furniture, and you'll keep unwanted bugs out of your home.